Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to verify your age on Roblox. So if you can't chat, can't use voice chat, or certain features are locked, just follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. Open the Roblox app on your device. Make sure you're using a phone or tablet with a working camera. Now tap More at the bottom, then go into Settings and select Account Info. Here, you'll see an option that says Check your age to get more features. Tap on it, then select Continue with Selfie. Before the selfie part begins, Roblox may ask you to verify your phone number, email, or authenticator. Enter the code you receive and tap Verify. Next, tap Continue, then hit Continue again. Now it's time for the selfie. Tap Continue, and if your browser asks for camera access, make sure you hit Allow. Once the camera opens, position your face inside the circle and follow the instructions. Roblox will ask you to slowly move your head in different directions. Just follow what it shows on screen. After that, Roblox will estimate your age and unlock features like voice chat, experience chat, and party chat as soon as your verification is complete. And that's it. You've now verified your age on Roblox and fixed the chat restrictions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more quick tutorials like this.